Namaskaram. My name is PETA. I'm from Australia and I'm staying at Somatheeram Ayurveda Hospital. I'm here for a 7-day program. I enjoyed every moment of my stay at this beautiful and authentic Ayurvedic retreat. The treatment is very individualized and effective. To wake up and do yoga and meditation by the beach is very refreshing. The Ayurvedic food is very colourful, fresh and delicious. Somatheeram is a natural and eco-friendly place and employs many people from the surrounding areas. The doctors, therapists, yoga instructors and all other teams are very friendly and attentive to my needs. I highly recommend Somatheeram and look forward to coming again in the near future. Namaste.